Welcome to Hauler Software. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating your very first haul. Let's get hauling. Once you logged into Hauler, you'll land on the dashboard under the dispatch section. From here, you can begin to create your very first haul as well as manage all of your hauling operations. To create a new haul, simply click Add Haul in the top left-hand side of the screen. Before doing so, I would recommend setting up the pricing in the admin section. If you don't know how to do so, please refer to the Hauler Help Docs video on how to add pricing. Let's go ahead and click Add Haul. Once you've clicked Add Haul, it'll bring you to this screen. You can either create a new customer, which is what you do in your case, or search from previous customers or locations. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create a Customer just to show you how that would look. All you need to do is insert your name, select the pricing tier, account type, then go ahead and hit Create a Contact. And as you can see, there's not many details required to create one. You could also search a contact, okay, if you already had some already put in. Now, I'm going to go ahead and search for a customer, so that way you get to see how that looks as well. Once you've done that, it'll bring up previous locations, or you can create a new one. To create a new one, all you have to do is grab an address from Google Maps, put it in here, select a contact, site placement, where do we want the bin to be placed. Okay, perfect. Now, this is why I do recommend setting up the pricing beforehand. I'm going to go ahead and select the base pricing, hit copy, hit save. Now we can choose the type of haul. Since it's your first haul, it's going to be a delivery. You can select the dumpster size, put in the dumpster number, select the material type, the date, it's today's date, the time, anytime, and if we have any driver haul specific notes. Once we've done that and checked all the details to create the haul, all we have to do is hit save and send email confirmation. Once that's been done, as you can see, you've successfully created your first haul, so congratulations. It's now listed in the dispatch section. In order to assign that to your driver, all you have to do is drag it across, and that haul has now been assigned. Thank you for choosing Hauler Software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Happy hauling.